Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to subtract numbers in Excel, which is very easy and very important to learn. Let's take this example. These are the few products that we are selling. These are the sales prices and this is the cost. So to find the profit or loss, we need to subtract the cost from the sale price. Now how do we subtract? There are quite a few ways of going about it. The first one is pressing in is equal to and selecting the cell, the amount from which you want to subtract, entering the minus symbol and selecting the cell which you want to subtract. All right. So the difference between 40,000 and 38,000 is 2,000. This is one way. The other way is you type in is equal to and type in the amount, say 5,000 minus 4,000, and you get it. This the answer is 1,000. There's one more way. You can also open the bracket, select this cell, enter the minus symbol, select the other cell, press enter. All right. Another way, you can open the bracket and then type in 33,000 minus 31,000 and close the bracket. All right. And what if the amount you are trying to subtract is greater than from the number you are trying to subtract it from? Let's make this 25,000. What would happen? So is equal to this minus this. So we get a minus 1,000. All right. So this is how you subtract in Excel. See you in the next video.